How a Trick Grows. Inside the Egg by Kindergarten. What is inside of this little eggshell? A new baby chick, the story will tell. Baby chick, when will you hatch? Did he begin with this little white patch? You are very tiny but as warm as you can be. Your heart and your head we began to see. More days going, almost a week. You now have 2 legs, 2 wings, and a beak. Soon you have feathers and claws on your toes. Oh my, look how fast the baby chick grows. Bigger and bigger you grow every day. Your food's almost gone, not long can you stay. The shell is too small, you're too big to fit. You're just ready to hatch out of it. Back for a while and take a short sleep. You work very hard and you're out. Peep, peep. Revelations 5:13. And I heard every creature in heaven, and on earth and under the earth, and in the sea and all that is in them, saying to him who sits on the throne, and to the Lamb be blessing, and honor and glory and might, forever and ever. Old McNaples had a farm. By kindergarten. Old McNaples had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Everywhere moo-moo. Old McNaples had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A cow can moo. A cow has an udder and even must run on farm day. A cow lives in a pasture. A cow eats clover so sweet. A baby cow is called a calf. Old McNaples had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. And here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old McNaples had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A pig came on the mud. That would be fun. A pig has a cute rolly tail. A pig lives in the sky and it is stinky. A pig eats slop. Yuck! A pig says oink, oink, oink. A baby pig is called a piglet. Old McNaples had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here, neigh, here, neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh. Old McNaples had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A horse can neigh. A horse has a beautiful mane and a tail. A horse lives in a stall. A horse eats hay and loves carrots. A baby horse is called a foal. Old Nick Maples had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack there and a quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old Nick Maples had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The duck has cute little duckweed. A duck can quack, quack, quack. A duck lives in a pond. A duck eats little fish. A baby duck is called a duckling. Old Nick Maples had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm she had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a peep, peep there and a peep, peep there. There a peep, everywhere peep, peep. Old Nick Maples had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A baby chick hatches for an egg. A baby should have an egg too. A chicken eats corn. A chicken lives in a chicken coop. A chicken can run and play. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby chick says peep, peep, peep. Old Nick Maples had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm she had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba there and a ba-ba there. Here ba, there ba, everywhere ba-ba. Old Nick Maples had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A sheep can baa. A sheep lives in the pasture. A sheep has fluffy wool. A sheep eats grass. A baby sheep is called a lamb. In his hands is the life of every creature and the breath of all mankind. Job 12:10. How a chick hatches by kindergarten. It takes 21 days for a chick to develop in a fertile egg. The egg must be warmed by the hen or in an incubator. When a chick is ready to hatch, it pecks a hole in the shell. The chick pecks and turns until it has cracked the shell. It goes all the way around. The chick pushes with his body and feet to make the crack bigger. At last the shell breaks apart and a chick pulls itself out. The tired, wet chick flops down to rest. His feathers begin to dry. 2 hours later, the chick is fluffy and active. It will grow quickly and be full grown in 6 months. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Psalm 156.